Ready to take control of your money without complicated spreadsheets? This Notion template helps you see everything in one place, build savings and pay off debt with momentum. With this template, you'll get a clear snapshot of your finances, quick buttons to add entries fast, and step-by-step sections for accounts, savings goals, income, expenses, and debt payoff. It's built to be simple, so you can save time, stress less, and keep moving toward financial freedom. Up top, these quick buttons take you straight to the sections you'll use most. Click to add new income or expenses, or jump into accounts, savings goals, or debt payoff. Think of this as your control center. Start with accounts. Add your bank accounts, cash, e-wallets, and credit cards. This page shows where your money lives. If you're using the computed balance setup, your account totals will update as you add income and expenses. Next, set your savings goals. Emergency fund, travel, new laptop, whatever matters most. Each goal shows your target, how much you've saved, and a progress bar so you can see wins. Log every peso coming in: salary, side hustles, bonuses. Link each entry to the account it lands in. Use the This Month view to see totals quickly. Track your spending, bills, groceries, transport, subscriptions. Link each expense to an account. Group by category to see where your money goes. On the dashboard, your monthly budget shows income versus expenses at a glance. The difference is your balance for the month. Now the game changer: debt payoff. Your debts are sorted from smallest to largest. This is the Snowball Method. You pay minimums on all debts, then attack the smallest balance first. Each quick win builds momentum. That's your financial freedom roadmap. Clear, simple, and built to help you save more and pay off debt faster. Duplicate it. Start with your accounts, then add savings goals, log income and expenses, and work the snowball every week.